Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into YouTube Studio with the channel owner account so you have full access. Once signed in, make sure two-step verification is active and confirm the channel is linked to an AdSense account. This is why payment data appears. Now open Analytics and go straight to the Revenue tab. This is the control center for earnings, RPM, estimated revenue, and RPM components. You'll want this open as you proceed, because subsequent steps compare these metrics across dates and videos. Next, filter the Revenue tab by the exact date range you need so you can compare month-over-month figures and spot trends. Then break revenue into its components: ads, YouTube Premium, channel memberships, Super Chat, and merchandise, because each behaves differently and has separate RPM effects. After that, drill down to per video and per playlist views to identify which content drives the most impressions, average view duration, and CPM. Once you see the drivers, you can plan content or ad strategy around. Finally, reconcile YouTube's estimated revenue with the finalized amounts in AdSense. Estimates can change due to refunds, invalid traffic deductions, or policy adjustments, so always cross-check. When you export reports, match dates, currency, and deduction lines so totals align. This is why exporting CSVs helps. If you find large mismatches, make sure payments and tax info in AdSense are correct, review invalid traffic notifications, and file an appeal or support ticket if needed. Addressing these fixes closes the loop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.